Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our CIAB, Commerce in a Box, Quick Start solution. We understand that you're likely familiar with Salesforce Commerce on Core already, so today I'd like to highlight how our solution can be utilized by small and medium businesses to efficiently extend their capabilities into Salesforce Commerce. We will not spend time reviewing the capabilities of Commerce on Core. Instead, we will concentrate on how this solution is specifically targeted and tailored for SMB customers looking for a rapid deployment with enterprise capabilities. Our Commerce in a Box solution includes 100 hours of expert consulting, integration with Salesforce payments, one customer-specific integration with an ERP or OMS system, and one customer-specific integration to receive inventory updates from an ERP or WMS. I'd like to start this demo by showing you one key differentiator of Commerce in a Box. It has been designed from the ground up to work extremely well in mobile settings. What you're seeing here is my personal iPhone running the CIAB website. This isn't a simulation or mock-up. This is the live commerce site running on a real device. While I'm going to spend most of my time in the desktop browser, let's just take a quick minute to look at how easy this responsive site works on a phone. As a logged-in user, I can review products and purchase them with ease. Alternately, I can use the quick order pad. This demonstrates how our Commerce in a Box solution runs smoothly on smartphones, providing a complete shopping experience. Now let's take a look at the desktop view of this application in the browser. As you've probably already noticed, this web page has unique styling that's very different from what you would typically see in a Salesforce out-of-the-box solution. Let's walk through the homepage elements. We have a standard header with search bar, user profile, wish list, and shopping cart, as well as a unique menu. This navigation is different from what you've typically seen because it's more adaptable to mobile devices. For example, if we click on one of these menu items, we have a flyout subsection that shows very prominently what the subcategories are. Moving down further, we have a shop by category section and some featured products. If we look at this featured product here, the Grizzly Pro Track Saw, and click on it, it takes us to a product detail page. On this product detail page, we have all the typical information, including price, quantity available, and stock keeping unit. For this specific product, you'll notice there's a volume discount for the product that's been set up. I should also point out that this CIAB instance supports kits, bundles, and variants. The next section of the PDP shows a tabbed interface that contains key pieces of information about this product. It has the product description, a section for product specifications, a section for recommended products, which are based on Einstein or predefined product selections, and last but not least, we have attachments that can be loaded with the product. And below that section, we have frequently bought together, a cross-sell feature. All of these items can be selected or deselected and added to the cart with a single click. Before we add this product to the cart and see how our cart functions along with checkout, I would be remiss if I didn't show you what a product list page looks like in this Commerce in a Box solution. So let's just search for plainer really quickly. A couple of things to note here. The page shows preferences. In this particular case, these are variant information or variant attributes that can be used to filter the product list page based on user selection. In addition, the product list page shows available quantity and price, and you can add directly from here to the cart as opposed to just seeing products and then having to go into the product detail page. You can go straight from here into the cart. Now let's switch back over to the product detail page and see what happens when we add products to the cart. I'm going to increase the quantity to 3 for the table saw, and then I'm going to add it to the shopping cart. So let's take a look. Our singular item cost is $135, but the total for the 5 that we bought is $675. We can lower the quantity and it will recalculate, obviously. More important, this page contains one of the CIAB unique value-add components, a file upload that lets you populate the cart with hundreds of products using a spreadsheet. We can literally take a template, download it to the local computer, fill in stock keeping units and quantity, and drop the file into the cart. That's an excellent way to load a great number of products in one shot. Now let's go to the checkout. You can see that CIAB supports purchase orders as well as credit cards and other payment methods. In this particular instance, we're also supporting ACH. Once an order is placed, it is always accessible via the user's profile menu. The styling of the CIAB order history page makes it very user-friendly and accessible. That concludes our quick demo of Ascentium Commerce in a Box. In closing, thank you again for your time.